Linking your bank account to DataRobot Enterprise is a straightforward process that allows for seamless financial transactions. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Access your DataRobot account. Log into your DataRobot Enterprise account using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to manage account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank account linking. In the account settings menu, look for the option to link a bank account. This may be labeled as payment methods or bank account settings. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter bank account information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the account number, routing number, and any other required information. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to DataRobot Enterprise. This will enable efficient management of your financial transactions within the platform.